Every breakthrough we see today, artificial intelligence, robotics, cybersecurity, began as an idea in the mind of a computer scientist. At the School of Systems and Technology at UMT, we don't just teach technology, we prepare you to shape the future. Our BS in Computer Science program blends the fundamentals of programming, algorithms, and databases with cutting-edge fields like quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and big data. You will learn not just how to code, but how to solve real-world problems. Guided by internationally recognized faculty with academic and industry experience from leading institutions across the globe, you will gain both global knowledge and local impact. Beyond the classroom, SST at UMT offers vibrant campus life, student clubs, hackathons, and countless opportunities to collaborate with peers who share your passion for innovation. And your degree is just the beginning. It launches your career in top tech companies, research labs, startups, and beyond. At UMT School of Systems and Technology, we don't just imagine the future, we program it. BS Computer Science at UMT. Code the future. Apply now.